Well, plants need nutrients from the soil. If the same crop is grown repeatedly in the same field, the soil will naturally run out of nutrients if they are not replenished. The crop yield in such fields then will decrease with time. For centuries, farmers have used the traditional process of manuring to replenish the nutrients in the soil. Farmers put organic material in open pits and let it decompose until it becomes manure, which is rich in microorganisms, humus, and nutrients. Manure also increases the capacity of the soil to hold water. It makes the soil absorbent and improves its consistency. Can you guess which of these substances will decompose to help form manure? Correct. Correct. Well done. These are the items that help in making manure. Unlike manure, fertilizers are not made of decomposed organic substances. They are chemicals that are made in factories. Fertilizers are rich in nutrients that help plants grow. Superphosphate, urea, NPK, that is nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, potash, and ammonium nitrate are some of the popular types of fertilizer. While the use of fertilizer can dramatically increase the yield of crops like wheat and rice, their overuse makes the soil less fertile by killing microbes and earthworms that, as we discussed earlier, help generate nutrients. The chemicals in the fertilizers can also poison water bodies.
See the differences?
Two farmers want to increase the yield of their crops. Tap on a farmer to find out what he needs. That's right. That's right. This table summarizes the differences between fertilizer and manure.
Fertilizer has to be bought in the market. Manure can be made at home. Fertilizer is a chemical salt. Manure is organic. Fertilizer may contain substances that are bad for the skin or respiratory system. Manure does not contain any harmful substance as it is natural. Fertilizer is very rich in nutrients but can harm the soil in the long run. Manure is not so rich in nutrients but helps the soil in the long run. Fertilizers does not provide humus. Manure provides humus. Humus, dead and decaying matter.
Rotating the crops planted or crop rotation is another way to keep the soil healthy.
We have discussed crop rotation earlier.
The same crop makes the soil less fertile as the crop keeps absorbing the same nutrients. Moreover, pests and pathogens that feed on this crop tend to multiply in numbers, decreasing the crop yield. Let us now summarize what we've learned in this topic.
Adding manure and fertilizers. To replenish the nutrients consumed by the growing crop, Farmers either add manure or chemical fertilizers to the soil. Replace, दोबारा स्थानांतरित करना। तो जिस जगह से न्यूट्रिएंट कम हो गए हैं, कंज्यूम हो गए हैं, वहाँ पे दोबारा उनको वापस लाना। टू रिप्लेनिश द न्यूट्रिएंट्स कंज्यूम्ड बाय द ग्रोइंग क्रॉप, फार्मर्स या तो उसमें खाद डालते हैं या केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स, उर्वरक। मैन्योर इज एन ऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंस ऑब्टेन्ड बाय द डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ प्लांट और एनिमल वेस्ट बाय सम माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स। खाद एक जैविक पदार्थ है जो पौधे और जानवरों के वेस्ट से बनता है, उनके डिकम्पोजिशन से बनता है। इट प्रोवाइड्स ह्यूमस एंड न्यूट्रिएंट्स टू द सोइल एंड ऑल्सो इम्प्रूव्स द वाटर रिटेनिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ द सोइल, द कैपेसिटी टू एब्जॉर्ब एंड कीप होल्डिंग ऑन द वाटर। Unlike manure, fertilizers are chemical substances made in factories. They are highly rich in nutrients. एक ही टाइप के न्यूट्रिएंट जिसके लिए वो बने हैं, उस न्यूट्रिएंट के लिए वो हाईली रिच होते हैं। बट देयर एक्सेसिव यूज़ में किल माइक्रोब्स इन द सोइल, लेकिन उनका अधिक उपयोग मिट्टी में माइक्रोब्स जो हैं उनको मार सकता है, विच डिक्रीजेज द सोयल फर्टिलिटी, और इससे भूमि की उपजाऊ क्षमता कम हो जाती है। फार्मर्स ऑल्सो रोटेट द क्रॉप ग्रोइंग इन द फील्ड। किसान रोटेट करते हैं, यानी कि एक सीज़न में जो फसल उगाई है, जब अगली बार वही सीजन आएगा तो फिर कोई दूसरी फसल उगाएंगे। जैसे सर्दियों में एक सीज़न में मस्टर्ड क्रॉप ले ली है तो नेक्स्ट सीज़न में व्हीट क्रॉप ले लें। इससे क्या होगा कि एक ही टाइप के न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो एब्जॉर्ब कर रहे थे प्लांट्स, वो उस सीज़न में एब्जॉर्ब नहीं करेंगे, उन्हें वापस आने का मौका मिलेगा। और जो पेस्ट्स और जो भी माइक्रोब्स थे जो उस पौधे पर डिपेंड करते हैं अपने फूड के लिए, उनकी ग्रोथ बहुत ज़्यादा ना होके कंट्रोल में रहेगी और इससे फसल को नुकसान कम पहुँचेगा। सो फार्मर्स ऑल्सो रोटेट द क्रॉप ग्रोइंग इन द फील्ड, इंश्योरिंग दैट द न्यूट्रिएंट्स एब्जॉर्ब्ड बाय वन क्रॉप आर replenished when the next crop is grown. First question is, soil fertility is reduced by crop rotation, rhizobium bacteria growing the same type of crop, decaying organic matter. Yes, answer. Right, growing the same type of crops. Intensive growing of crops in the same field removes a lot of nutrients from the soil. Due to this, the soil becomes less fertile after some time and the crop yield decreases. Which one of the following does not help in improving the fertility of the soil? Crop rotation, keeping the field fallow, manure, plowing. Answer yourself. It is plowing. Plowing is only used to prepare the soil before sowing seeds. It doesn't make any change in the fertility of the soil. I hope you have understood the topic well and are prepared for the next topic that we will discuss in the next video.